Okay, so I can't apparently find the video I did yesterday. I want to make a survival day pack, hiking day pack, and just this. It can fit a decent amount in the front. I don't know what's actually in here, actually. I don't even know what's in here, actually. That's what. Let's see. Non-magnetic pocket compass. Quality professional equipment. Let's see. That is not even close to south. We I heard these suck. Haven't got to test them out yet. I just have this stuff in here. I have a mini pocket multi-tool. It's just a small version of one of the ones I have. Just whatever. I'll probably actually just use. Actually, I'll probably just end up carrying this with me. And I know one thing I will be keeping in here. One of these flint things. One of these spark wheel things with extra flints in it. I'm gonna keep this one in here no matter what. So that's definitely gonna be in that. You know. Put this stuff back. I want to build a survival hiking kit, just in case. Right? You know what? I might actually just take this out when we should use it right now. Yeah. Let's see if this was actually accurate. Surprisingly, it's even near a thing. Oh wow, it's stuck because it's magnetic. I'm tired. So yeah. Oh, go to my. If you wonder, I do have a thing. I do have a video up on my Aces King / the JYK official channel of 5 months worth of Silver Coin the Month Club. I think. I know 4 at least, and one is already in a case. So go watch that. Okay, so yeah, I know 5 because I've tested one out. Well, actually, these are decent. They work. What they are. Also, let me give you a review of this. Here's a hint of what I like about this. If I like this or not. I drunk all this. Okay, so I put these in here for no reason. Might actually keep these in here too. I don't know. Depends. A ammo pouch. This is an ammo pouch. I know this for a fact. I know this for a fact. It's an ammo pouch. Guys, see? Put 2 magazine pouches in it. Or you can actually make a whatever you need, like a fire kit or some crap. I don't know. Depending on what you need. I know this is actually from the. What's that one bag I got that one time? From Buckhead. And this is Repro, made in China. It looks nice though. Oh, okay, yeah. See that? Yeah, that should be straight up. But whatever. If I get any 5.56 won't fit in here, what? Someone who's actually an expert at that, tell me. Anything else? No. Oh wait, yeah. And the one that people say is one of the best you can get for Buckhead things is it is BK4823. No, you're not. But yeah, I'm not gonna go into that because whatever. I'm gonna keep this on here because it's an Espino, and I like the Espino really good. Play with all bands, Willie, Wayland me. One thing I don't like is there's no actual to it. That's stupid. But yeah, what should I put in here? What should be a okay? Well, if I had to, Jesus Christ. Yeah. He's right here. Right. What is it? Oh God, I need to put these. I need to, whatever, the things. What should I put in here? Because I know I can actually. I've actually used this, and that's pretty decent. I did put in some stuff with her. I knew I'm not putting this in here. Yeah. Let me actually see if this is. Yeah, no, that is no way. No freaking way it's actually going in here. At all. Even if I do this, it's not going in there. But yeah. Anyway. Let me also give you a review of this. It's nice and smooth, and it's not bitter. I actually have a cup of this. You know what? Yeah, I need a cup of this real quick. Oh. You know the cups I had prepped? Yeah, I had none, and I didn't want to wash any cups out. Yeah. What? Oh. No. Oh, yeah. Well, I'm gonna stay up to like 50 anyway, so it's like whatever. This one's great. Oh my god, I want a candle with this. I can probably actually make a candle with it. Yeah. I can probably make a candle out of it. Come. I'm gonna just take a minute. I need coffee. So yeah, yeah. I'm gonna leave right here. And I made it into an Americana. Oh my god, I'm gonna. Yeah, what should I put into the bag? Yeah, give me a second to the shoulder over. Playing with all bands, Willie, wailing me. Willie, wailing me. They say Texas music's in the make. Yeah, so I've been listening to that song yesterday. Oh yeah. It's an Americana. And my therapist is like, if you can drink caffeine, dilute it, and blah, 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 blah. I don't know how bad it is. But yeah, this is the size of this. It's not that big, but it doesn't need to be that big. Maybe a day or two on the trail. And I do have my emergency fishing kit with me. Right there. So I'm super good for that. I haven't had coffee today. Sorry. But yeah. God, my beard is glorious. But yeah. Yeah, I found this too last night. This is the one with the light that works. And with the thing. To push stuff out. So yeah. You know what I could do to dilute it? I'm staying up till 5 in the morning. Flipping away, it's like whatever. I still recommend this too, by the way. So yeah. This is the bag. It's an Ozark Trail day hiking pack. Has some stuff in that, like last time, you know. Even diluted, it tastes good to me. So, of course, I need caffeine. So, anyway, what should I put in there? Anyway, actually, they say Texas music's in the make. If that falls, I'm going to be sad. Okay. Anyway, been Post-Fox Survival. I've been surviving the wasteland and drinking coffee because I need it. Anyway, go to my Aces King / the JYK official channel to watch like 4 or 5 months worth of coins a month. Anyway, God bless.